So for today's STEM activity, we're going to actually do some experiments with water. Will these items float or will they not float within water? So let's get a closer look at some of the items that we're going to test here. Of course, we have a variety of items that we found here at the library. Definitely do not try some of these at home. Of course, the book and probably the DVD. You don't want to, damage them. That would not be good. But we're going to start adding some items to our little tub of water here and see if they float or not. So first, we have a little rubber ducky. So let's see, will it float? I would say it does. It's a little under the water, but it still floats. And of course, next we got a candle. As you can tell, it stays perfectly on the water, but it's a little submerged. Just a little bit of it. So it has a little bit of weight to it that's somewhat pushing it down to the bottom, but still has enough where it's going to stay afloat. Okay, now this you definitely shouldn't try at home. We have a book. You definitely don't want to do this to your library books. You definitely do not want to do this. But, as you can tell, the library book does actually stay afloat. It's just a little bit, a little bit damaged now. Just a little bit. Still fine, right? Definitely don't do this with any of your library books or your own personal books. That would not be good to your books. Next up. Yeah, we need a lot more water for that one. No, we can try later with more water. But yeah, this is also probably going to do the same. But do you notice also with this one though, it can kind of stay afloat, but it also can collect water because it also has this. So it does get water in it if you put it like that. And then it kind of sinks a little bit because it has added weight from the water. I also don't recommend this with, of course, your DVDs. But let's see, will it float? Yeah, it's a little bit submerged, but it's just not too much. It's definitely staying afloat in the water. But you can add a lot of pressure, and do you notice if you pressurize it? But do you notice if you add pressure to this, it does sink a little bit. Okay, we got a pencil. Yep, that sank. Well, it's from the eraser sink too. Yeah, it does. A little hard candy. Yep, that's sinking. We got a little pencil sharpener here. Let's see, will it stay afloat? Perfect, look at that. It's all swimming around there. We'll leave that there, it seems happy. Okay, we have a marble. And that'll just roll all on the bottom of the bin. And a rubber band. On that form, it definitely sank. See, can we twist it up a little bit? No, that's gonna sink. Okay, our last item. We have our library due date cards here. So let's see. So that does stay, like the book, it stays afloat, but it's seen better days, as you can tell. Well, thank you for watching this STEM video.